Mastering common English phrases helps you communicate smoothly in different situations. This collection covers essential expressions across various topics, from daily routines to emergencies. Practice them regularly to boost your fluency.
Home and household chores.
I need to vacuum the living room. Could you take out the trash? Let's rearrange the furniture this weekend. The sink is leaking again. I forgot to water the plants.
Friendship and relationships.
We've been best friends since childhood. Honesty is the key to a strong relationship. Let's celebrate our anniversary in style. It's important to support each other in tough times. Distance makes the heart grow fonder.
Celebrations and special occasions.
Congratulations on your new job. Wishing you a fantastic birthday. Let's make a toast to success. Are you planning anything special for the holidays? I can't wait for the New Year's Eve party.
Transportation and driving.
I need to fill up the gas tank. Could you give me a ride to the airport? The traffic was terrible this morning. Always check your mirrors before changing lanes. My car broke down on the highway.
Media and entertainment.
This TV show is so addictive. That book kept me on the edge of my seat. The soundtrack of this movie is incredible. I can't stop watching comedy clips online. Let's go to a live concert this weekend.
Internet and social media.
I spend too much time scrolling through my phone. This video just went viral. Can you tag me in that post? Social media can be both a blessing and a curse. I need to take a break from my screen.
Emergency situations.
Call an ambulance right away. Stay calm and follow the safety instructions. There's been a power outage in my area. Keep a first aid kit at home. Don't panic, we'll figure this out.
Emotions and feelings.
I felt really proud of myself today. That news was quite shocking. I was over the moon when I heard the good news. He seemed a bit off today. It's okay to take a break when you feel overwhelmed.
Health and fitness.
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. Make sure to drink enough water daily. Getting enough sleep is important for your health. Do you have any home remedies for a sore throat? I'm trying to cut down on sugar.
Space and astronomy.
The universe is constantly expanding. Astronauts train for years. They launched a new space mission. Black holes are mysterious. Mars colonization could be possible.